Konnichiwa, this is Ronald Carison. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video. For today's video, it's been a long time ago, 1 year ago na-unboxing ko ng Team G ng my first skateboard dito sa Ronald Carison. Bigat ah. Wow. And today's video, imagine mo, but we gonna unboxing this and I'm gonna share to you na anong nasa loob na ito sa karton na ito. So let's start to unboxing this one. Latag natin siya dito. Ayan. And of course, hindi mo ma-unboxing yan kung wala kang knife. Kailangan mo ng knife para ma-unboxing mo itong nasa loob na itong box na to. So, where to start it? This is, of course, quality and a little more expensive. This video is not sponsored by Evolve, but if Evolve want me to sponsor their skateboard, so please call me. I love skateboard and I will be better in my videos to unboxing it because I'll be more excited and I get more lot of energy to do it. But this board I paid for my own penny. My previous video you saw my helmet, right? Kaya niloko ko kayo dun sa ko sa previously video na wala akong in-order na Evolve electric skateboard, so of course I'm gonna order it also. So this is it. Tingnan ko ano niya. I think tabingin siya din. Hindi pa tayo makaka-skateboard ngayon kasi nung ngayon panahon ngayon meron madami pang snow dito sa sa labas. Kaya unboxing lang natin to. Unboxing natin siya dito. Let's continue to open this one. Nahirapan ako magbukas, kaya alam ko dito na lang siya lalabas yata. Kung dito siya lalabas or dito, hindi ko mabuksan dito. Hindi ko siya nasira. Ayaw niyang buksan dito eh. Dito na ayaw niya buksan. So, be ready to
go.
So let's open this one. Yeah. May bagong skateboard ako. 2021. This will be. Ta-da! Pwede ko. Yeah. Here's it. Here is. Lapit ka dito. Pakita natin sa kanila na to. This is my bagong electric skateboard. Si Evolve GTR. Wow. My new early birthday gift. Yan. Ayan si electric skateboard. Yan. Bigat niya. Yan. Oh. Okay ba? Laki niya. Wow, this is very big. Oh, tingnan mo nung gulong. O tapos ng belt. Belt driven. And I don't know so much about electric skateboard, but this should do it. This should do it every day. I'll need this one for so long time. Baba mo natin siya dito. And then we checking what we got here. Oh, we got a bag from Evolve also. accessories. Tanggalin mo itong karton na to. So, and then we open this accessories ni Evolve GTR carbon. Wow. You have here wow, you have instructions book, stickers. Here can you see stickers. Here one. And you have yung yung mga mechanic niya dito. Pwede nyo gamitin sa pag-huste, adjust ng skateboard. I have a large battery, of course. Yan, battery. And lot of reserve screw. Ayan, dito. Charger. And this one is, what is this one? Oh, remote! Remote is here. Look at this. Wow. Look like a pistol. Wow. Feel this one. Wow. Yes, USB. And you have also here ay pampalagay ng palagay sa dito sa remote. So this is it. Ayan. Pwede na muna natin montage. Montage natin si Evolve GTR all terrain. Ayan. Yes, I got you.